Germany just shipped an artificial intelligence you can check the ingredients of, all 27 trillion of them. Here's what SOOFI-S actually is, and the honest reason it won't replace your chatbot. Most open artificial intelligence hands you the weights and hides the recipe. Germany just shipped one that does the opposite, and it openly admits what it's bad at. Because here's the catch with most open models. You get the finished weights, but the training data stays a sealed box. You can't check the bias, the licensing, or where any of it came from. SOOFI-S flips that. It publishes the recipe. And by the end of this, you'll know why that matters more than any benchmark, and why sovereign doesn't mean superior. So what did Germany actually build, and who paid for it? SOOFI stands for Sovereign Open Source Foundation Models. It's a German consortium project, coordinated by the German AI Association in Berlin. And it's backed by about 20 million euros from the German government and the EU. The goal is blunt. A high-performance, transparent foundation model built in Germany. So European companies don't have to route everything through a US or Chinese vendor that can change price or policy overnight. Picture a European factory running on a single foreign power plug that keeps flickering. Cut the dependency and you plug into a local socket instead. Jörg Bienert, who runs the Center for Sovereign AI, said it directly. Whoever controls the foundation models controls a central part of future digital value creation. SOOFI-S is Germany's move to control its own. And here's the real story. The part that changes what open even means. Most models that call themselves open ship the weights and stop there. SOOFI publishes the ingredient list. The team trained it from scratch on about 27 trillion tokens, and they account for where those tokens came from, source by source. Web text from Nemotron CC and HPLT, German Commons, a wiki set, technical PDFs, and a licensed German press corpus called Genius, which is only about 1% of the mix. Add it all up, and roughly 99% of the training diet can be independently reconstructed. Picture an itemized grocery receipt that actually lists everything, next to a rifle that just prints redacted. You can audit the bias. You can check the licensing. You can see what shaped the model, before you ever build on it. That's the receipt most open releases never hand you. Here's the trick that lets a 30 billion model run like a 3 billion one. SOOFI-S is a mixture of experts model. On paper it's about 31.5 billion parameters total. But for any single token, only around 3.2 billion actually fire. Out of 128 expert subnetworks, just 6 switch on per token. So you pay roughly the compute of a 3 billion model while getting quality closer to a 14 to 27 billion one. In the paper's own throughput test, that's about 9 times faster than a dense 14 billion model. The design is a hybrid, mostly Mamba 2 layers, with a few attention layers mixed in, and only a handful of layers keep a memory cache. So as the context window grows, all the way out to 1 million tokens, the memory stays almost flat. Big model answers small model build. And the team reused NVIDIA's architecture unchanged, on purpose, to prove it was the data recipe doing the work, not a clever new design. But does sovereign and transparent actually perform? On German language benchmarks, SOOFI-S lands first among fully open models, a German aggregate around 79, ahead of open peers like Olmo 3, Apertus and EuroLLM. On code, it hits about 74% on human eval and 84% on the German MBPP test. On grade school math, around 86%. The company's own page markets a rank 1 on every German benchmark line and a 3.3 times throughput number. Treat those as the vendor's framing. The auditable figures live in the technical report. And the report is honest about the ceiling. On competition-level German math, it trails the strongest open weight models. And because only about 3 billion parameters are active, its raw factual knowledge is limited by design. The team didn't bury that, they wrote it down. So here's the honest part, and it's the whole point. Nicolas Flores here, the technical project lead from Fraunhofer, put it plainly. SOOFI-S isn't meant to be yet another general-purpose chatbot. It's a technical foundation for industrial artificial intelligence, one that can run reliably and transparently in production. Sovereign doesn't mean superior. This won't outthink the biggest models from the US or China on raw capability. What it gives you instead is different. A model trained entirely in Germany, on Deutsche Telekom's sovereign cloud in Munich, on 100% renewable power. Auditable data. No foreign vendor sitting in the middle of your stack. For a lot of European teams, that trade, a little less raw power for full transparency and independence, is exactly the one worth making. So can you download it and start chatting today? Not quite, and this is where the reality check matters. SOOFI-S was trained on 512 NVIDIA B200 data center GPUs. That's not your laptop, and it was never meant to be. What you actually get is the finished open weights, already up on Hugging Face. So if you build on open models, here's the honest payoff. You can download those weights, fine-tune them on your own domain data, and run inference cheaply, because only 3 billion parameters are ever active at once. Just know it's an unaligned base model right now. You fine-tune it, you don't chat with it. A dialogue version is coming. You won't be talking to this thing tomorrow. But a transparent European foundation just became a real option. And remember, this is only the first building block. SOOFI-S is a 30 billion parameter start. The consortium's real target is an open model family around 100 billion parameters. Rung one of a much taller ladder. The honest question was never whether it beats GPT or Claude today. The question is whether transparency and sovereignty are worth trading a little raw power for. So tell me, sovereign but weaker, would you build on a fully transparent European model, or does raw capability win every time? Drop your answer below and subscribe for more honest AI breakdowns.